What's going on, folks? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tack Pits, otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Don't worry, ma'am, I am from the internet. So this is my solar-powered aquarium. Did a little video on it already, and gotta say, the algae bloom frickin' took care of itself. I'm not even exactly sure how it managed to do that. But you can see everything now. You can see the crayfish. You can see the two chubs I got in there. They're very happy. I was frickin' amazed. I was blown away by that, my guys. Usually this guy's really shy, but now that he can see more, he's come out to play. I can't believe the algae bloom took off in such a small amount of time. That's just amazing. All I had to do was cover it up. Now all I got going on here is two small batteries that are, well, I'm pretty sure that one's from a set of emergency lights, and this one is from something else. That one's from, that's the kind of thing that you can hook up to a scooter. And I got the inverter sitting right in there. I got bricks around it just so it won't make too much noise. But dude, I remember like 2 days ago, I couldn't see anything in here because of the algae bloom. And then just like that, it takes care of itself. Now, one thing I learned about algae, it's really cool, is that, so algae does give off oxygen and take in CO2. But at night, it actually starts using oxygen. So, frickin' mosquitoes. So trees do the same thing. I didn't know that. They actually take over. So you gotta be careful you don't have too much algae, or they can take up too much of the oxygen at night. At night, but in the day, it's all good. Crazy stuff, crazy stuff. I love my aquarium, and I'm so freaking happy the algae is gone. I just can't believe how quickly it happened. That's nuts. It's crazy. Go nuts. So yeah, I guess the algae bloom just had to die off 100%. That's interesting. Anyways, thanks for joining me, folks.